Welcome. Today I am excited to introduce you to a unique learning by doing project, a fully functional inventory management application built entirely with Python and SQLite database. To download the application, you have to follow the link below or to the post. Inside the website, you click the download zip button and the download will start. After download is complete, you will receive a zip file. Please cut and paste this zip file to your desktop for easy access. Next, unzip the file. Inside the extracted folder, you will receive two items: an executable file named inventory app and a separate database file. Please note that the database file is crucial as it stores all your data. Be sure to keep it safe and do not delete or move it outside this folder. Next, right-click on the inventory app file. From the menu, select Send to, then choose Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut to the inventory app on your desktop. To launch the application, simply double-click the shortcut you just created. After launching the app, you will need to sign up as a new user. To do this, simply enter your name, set a password, and confirm your password. Once you have successfully registered, you can proceed to the login page and sign into your account. After logging in, you will have the access to the top three sections: Register, Sales, and Dashboard. Please note the admin section is restricted and will not be accessible from here. Now let's see how you can register, update, and delete stock items from your inventory. Now let's explore the sales section. This area is divided into two segments. On the left, you will see your current inventory. On the top right, there is a search box, and just below that, you will find the sales record area. You can use the search box to look up medicines by name. If you would like to search by composition, simply click anywhere in the composition column and enter your search term. Let's add items to the sales record area. Simply click on the medicine you want to sell and then click the Add button. After you have added all the medicines you wish to sell, you can adjust the quantities directly in the sales record area to calculate your total sales. When you are ready, click the Sell button to initiate the sale. A pop-up will appear asking for the customer's phone number, followed by another prompt for the salesperson's name. Once you enter these details, your sale will be completed and a PDF receipt will be generated automatically. Now, if you want to view the items with the lowest inventory, simply click on this button. The list will automatically be sorted based on the quantity of each medicine in your stock. Now let's visit the final section, the dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your total sales quantity, current stock value, and total sales value along with opportunities. If you click the Fresh button, the entire dashboard will update with the latest data. In the Trend Analysis section, you can select a medicine brand name to view its sales trend over time. This feature helps you make informed decisions based on real sales data. Below that, there's a chart highlighting your top 5 selling brands. On the right side, you will find the invoice table. Clicking on any invoice will open a pop-up window displaying detailed information about that sale. You will also see a list of company name, and by clicking add new company, you will add a new company to your inventory. The same feature is available for the managing your medicine type list. Once you are done, simply return to the register section and sign out of your account. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope this project inspires you to keep learning and building practical solutions. Stay tuned for the next project, a machine learning template that you will be able to use directly from your browser. I am excited to share even more hands-on learning experience with you soon. Thanks again for watching and happy coding.